Toyota Yaris sedan has been listed on the government e-marketplace. The B segment sedan is currently available only in J trim with a manual gearbox and retails at a starting price of Rs 9.12 lakhs before shipping charges. The company also announced that the only white color is readily available. However, other color schemes will be offered based on the request. The Yaris is the company's entry-level sedan from the current lineup. The government marketplace, launched in 2016, is a dedicated e-market for online procurement of goods and services by government organizations, departments, and PSUs. Goods listed on the portal are usually available for a lesser price as compared to the retail price fixed for normal consumers. By listing the Yaris on the government marketplace, it will help Toyota Kirloskar Motors to further enhance government sales and provide more options to government departments and PSUs across sedan. Multi-purpose vehicle segments. Toyota already sells the Innova G Plus and GX diesel 7-seater and 8-seater variants and also a VX petrol 7-seater model on the government marketplace platform. The Toyota Yaris is powered by a single 1.5-liter petrol engine option that produces 106 bhp and 140 Nm of torque. The engine comes mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed Super CVT automatic transmission. However, the CVT models are not listed on the government marketplace. The Toyota Yaris rivals the Hyundai Verna, the Skoda Rapid, the Volkswagen Vento and the Honda City in the Indian market. The Toyota Yaris BS6 models retail between Rs 8.86 lakh and Rs 14.30 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The company is also offering attractive discount during and benefits this month on the sedan. Toyota aims to boost its sales on the government e-marketplace. The purchase made by the government organization, departments and PSUs are usually in bulk. Hyundai Motors India entered the compact SUV segment last year by launching Hyundai Venue. Hyundai Venue was even on the top spot of the segment, beating segment leader Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. Now, Hyundai Motor India Limited is celebrating the success of its first fully connected SUV, Venue, that has crossed the 1 lakh unit sales mark since its inception last year. The company has sold 97,400 units of the Venue in India and more than 7,400 units in the international markets. Commenting on the occasion, SS Kim, MD and CEO, Hyundai Motor India Limited said Hyundai Venue is India's first fully connected SUV and most awarded car of the year 2019-2020, setting a chord with new age customers. Hyundai has been at the helm of innovation in the automotive industry, introducing revolutionary products and technologies that have established new benchmarks with Venue. Venue has paved the way to democratize global technologies such as Kappa 1.0, IT, GDI and 7-speed DCT for Hyundai cars in India, offering customers excitement, delight and enhanced value. Hyundai mentioned that nearly 44% of Venue sales coming from the Kappa 1.0-liter TGDI petrol engine, making it the most popular engine, and 30% of the contribution is from the advanced 1.5-liter U2 CRDI diesel BS6 engine. Moreover, over 30,000 customers have opted for Venue variants with BlueLink connected technology. The Hyundai Venue is a good SUV, especially the turbo petrol variant that offers a rare combination of performance, convenience, refinement and decent fuel efficiency. The Hyundai Venue rivals the Tata Nexon, the Mahindra XUV300, the Maruti Vitara Brezza and the Ford EcoSport in the Indian market. The automaker said the Venue is the highest selling sub 4-meter compact sports utility vehicle in the January to May period of the 2020. Hyundai Venue variants and prices. It is sold in 5 variants: E, SX, SX Plus and SX Optional. The sub 4-meter SUV is priced from Rs 6.7 lakh to Rs 11.4 lakh ex-showroom. MG Motors, as announced earlier this year at the Auto Expo 2020, has bigger plans for the Indian market in the year 2020. Morris Garages is all set to launch its 4th product for the Indian market, MG Gloster. MG Motor will be launching its 4th product for the Indian market sometime later this year, called the Gloster. It will also be the company's 4th SUV offering in the market. However, the Gloster will be placed much higher in the price bracket. Ahead of its launch in the Indian market, the company has teased the upcoming premium SUV offering on its official website. The teaser image reveals the Gloster's large octagonal shaped chrome grille with an MG badge placed in the middle. MG Gloster was first revealed during the Auto Expo 2020. The image reveals other features such as twin pod headlamps, fog lamps placed on the bumper surrounded by chrome trim, bold window line finished in chrome, front scuff plates, side step and a large 6-spoked alloy wheel. Other exterior elements that are expected on the upcoming SUV includes LED tail lamps, roof rails and the Gloster moniker placed across the boot lid. quad exhaust tips finished in chrome, and a roof-mounted spoiler adding to the aggressive looks of the SUV. On the inside, the SUV is expected to come feature-packed wrapped in leather upholstery, offering a premium-looking and feel to the cabin. The highlighted feature on the SUV will include a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It will also feature the brand's latest iSmart connected technology with enhanced AI assistance and added number of voice commands. Other expected features include 3-zone automatic climate control, a panoramic sunroof, keyless entry, ventilated seats, wireless phone charging, multiple airbags, a 360-degree camera with blind spot monitoring, cruise control, hill start assist, hill descent control, ABS, EBD, and lane change assist. Coming to the powertrain, the company is expected to offer the Gloster with a single-engine 2.0-liter twin-turbo diesel engine option. It will produce 220 bhp and 480 Nm of torque and comes mated to a manual gearbox as the standard. An optional automatic transmission could be offered at a later date. Hero MotoCorp earlier this year had unveiled the most awaited bike from its portfolio, Hero Xtreme 160R. Now, Hero MotoCorp has launched one of its most anticipated motorcycles in the Indian market, the Xtreme 160R. The new Hero Xtreme 160R is offered in two variants, front disc and double disc. The Hero Xtreme 160R front disc variant is offered at Rs 99,950, while the top spec double disc variant is available with a price tag of Rs 1.03 lakh. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. The production-ready model first debuted in India back in February at the Hero World event held in Jaipur, Rajasthan. The new Hero Xtreme 160R has been completely designed and developed at the brand's R&D facility in Jaipur, Rajasthan. The premium 160cc motorcycle offering from the brand is powered by a BS6 compliant engine which promises to offer class-leading performance and acceleration figures. The motorcycle comes powered by a 163cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine. It produces 15 bhp at 8,500 rpm and 40 Nm of peak torque at 6,500 rpm, paired with a 5-speed gearbox. The motorcycle also features the Hero's programmed fuel injection system, ensuring optimum performance and efficiency. Hero claims that the Xtreme 160R is capable of 0 to 60 km/h in 4.7 seconds, while also boasting of the best-in-class power-to-weight ratio. The motorcycle weighs in at just 138.5 kg for the base spec model. The new Hero Xtreme 160R also features an extremely sporty design and style. It also comes with a bunch of premium features and equipment as well. Some of this includes LED lights all around, headlamps, DRLs, indicators and tail lights, LCD instrument cluster, first in segment side stand engine cutoff, pedal disc brakes at the front and back, supported by a single channel ABS. The Hero Xtreme 160R is now the entry-level product in the brand's X-Line range of motorcycles, which includes the Xtreme 200S, Xpulse 200 and the Xpulse 200T models. The new Hero Xtreme 160R rivals the likes of TVS Apache RTR 164V, Bajaj Pulsar NS 160 and the Suzuki Gixxer 150 in the Indian market. Honda cars have some popular products in its portfolio such as Civic, City and Jazz. Last year Honda sales weren't that great. Honda is now updating its car with BS6 engine and with some modifications. Japanese auto manufacturer Honda has announced that it is close to launch the all-new Honda Jazz soon. It has been speculated that the car will be launched before the end of July. The new Honda Jazz will feature new all-LED headlights with integrated LED DRLs, a redesigned front grille and new fog lamps and a reworked bumper, all adding to a sharper, more defined front end. The rest of the new Honda Jazz is expected to stay identical to the current generation models except for the rear part that is expected to feature LED tail lights and a reworked bumper. Honda has not revealed any information about the interiors of the vehicle but expect the Jazz to arrive with automatic climate control, a large touchscreen infotainment system, a digital instrument cluster and several connectivity features among a host of others. Powering the vehicle will be a BS6 compliant 1.2-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 89 bhp and 110 Nm of torque. The engine also features in Honda's Amaze family of cars. Transmission options will include a 5-speed manual and an optional CVT. Also available will be a BS6 compliant 1.5-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine that produces 99 bhp and 200 Nm of torque. The engine will come mated to a 5-speed manual transmission only. The current generation Honda Jazz models are priced between Rs 7.45 lakh and Rs 9.40 lakh and the new models are expected to carry a premium at launch. In Honda, the brand's 5th generation Honda City has started arriving at dealerships ahead of its launch. The new model features a new design and arrives with a host of features. In the earlier video where Indian Drives reported about how Honda Cars is upgrading its portfolio one after another, they are launching BS6 models of their products. Now Honda Cars India have launched the BS6 version of its compact SUV Honda WRV. Honda Cars India Limited has launched the new Honda WRV in India starting at Rs 8,49,000 ex-showroom. The new models feature updated exterior styling, rich interiors and BS6 compliant petrol and diesel engines. The new Honda WRV features a new solid wing chrome style grille, advanced LED projector headlamps with integrated DRLs and position lamps, advanced LED fog lamps and advanced LED rear combination lamps. The new WRV offers a spacious and comfortable cabin that features exclusively designed premium seating upholstery with an emboss and mesh design. The cabin also features chrome accents that add to its premium feel. The models feature Digipad 2.0, an advanced infotainment system that offers seamless and smart connectivity. Its 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system offers seamless smartphone connectivity via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and offers a host of advanced functionality like inbuilt satellite link turn-by-turn navigation, live traffic support, voice commands, Bluetooth connectivity, and a wireless infrared remote. Other features include a one-touch electric sunroof, automatic air conditioning, a multi-information combi meter with Eco Assist ambient rings, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel with mounted audio, voice, hands-free and cruise control switches. The Honda WRV petrol model features a BS6 compliant 1.2-litre iVTEC engine that produces 90 bhp and 110 Nm of torque. The engine comes mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. The vehicle is said to offer 16.5 km per litre according to test data. The Honda WRV diesel model features a BS6 compliant 1.5-litre iD-Tech engine that produces 100 bhp and 200 Nm of torque. The engine comes mated to a 6-speed manual transmission and offers 23.7 km per litre according to the test data. The new Honda WRV is available in two feature-packed variants, the SV and the VX, in both petrol and diesel variants. The brand also offers a 3-year unlimited kilometers warranty as a standard and an optional extended warranty for 2 years with options of unlimited or limited kilometers.